We're going to show you how to make $300 per hour watching dumb videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And guys, make sure to stay to the end of the video because I'm also going to give away my free Instagram training course. It was $5. I'm actually going to discount it for you guys who watched this video. So make sure to click that first link down below to get it. I know you guys want that dream lifestyle where you could chill on the beach, you can make some money on the side, you don't have to stress out. And I'm telling you guys, that's very possible. That, guys, is possible in 2019 just following these steps. If you guys are new to my channel, feel free to check out my page and my other videos right here. Feel free to click on them, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon. It really helps me a lot. So guys, the first thing you guys want to do is get a PayPal. The reason why you need a PayPal is because when you have PayPal, you can go and you can take in money from these online resources and you can actually put them in your PayPal account. You can connect PayPal to your bank account. And then within 2 to 3 days, you can draw your money, and PayPal would literally take a very small, less than $1 fee, and you can take out that money you make by watching these online videos and taking these online tests. As soon as you create your PayPal account, I'm gonna recommend you use this first website. So the first website we're gonna be using is usertesting.com. This is what the website looks like, and it says that you can literally earn up to $60 per test. And there's actually there are online apps you can use, questionnaires, and there are videos as well. And you can literally watch these 20-minute videos and get paid up to $20, $10 for just for watching a video and then answering a few questions at the end. And we have some really good people supporting this website, like the Huffington Post, the Wall Street Journal, Life Hackers, and more. And you want to be using websites just like this because they're probably going to give you a limit between 3 to 4 different tests you can do per day. But the great thing is there is no limit to how many different websites you can sign up for. So if you just signed up for 3 different websites, you can commit doing like 8 to 10 different video watching every single day. So when you come back from school, or if you come back from work, or from whatever you've been doing, you can watch 3, 4, 5 different videos, answer the questions at the end, and you'll get paid. You're actually going to get money for just watching those videos. Check out the withdrawal process for each website because I'm sure that you have to watch a certain number of videos before they let you take out your money. And that's awesome because that means you can just keep racking video after video after video and build the habit of just watching 5 to 6 videos every single day, and you can earn a whole bunch of money just doing that. So by no means, guys, is this gonna make you rich? Is this gonna make you 6, 7 figures? But you can use this money to pay off your gas. You can use this money to pay for college textbooks. Or what I would recommend is you save this money, this couple hundred extra dollars you're making per month, and you can invest that into building a real online business, like an affiliate marketing business, getting into a website agency business, or joining an online community or buying courses so you can learn these new skills for this new era. All right, so the second website recommendation, and it's called userfeel.com. Here we have a quick and easy different user testing, much like the one we just were on. It's gonna give you money just by watching videos, answering different questionnaires, etc., testing different applications, and you'll be able to make profit just by answering those questions by watching those videos. And that's an awesome opportunity for you guys. Just gonna make sure you gotta take that opportunity while it's still here. You know, I love you guys so much, so I'm gonna give you the third website. That way you can get at least 8 videos in every single day, and you can start profiting from these 3 different sites. So this bonus one is called userlyrics.com, and what's awesome about this is that I love listening to music. A whole bunch of people like listening to music, but why not get paid for listening to music? We're doing it all the time on our way to work, on our way to school, or when we just need a break. Listening to music and also getting paid for that just seems awesome. So I would jump on that if you guys really like listening to music and you want to hear some new original songs, and then give your feedback on it and then actually get paid for that feedback. So again, that's a huge opportunity for all you guys. You don't want to be sleeping on it. Again, this is a huge opportunity because you guys can get paid just by doing these small tasks, and that extra stream of income that you're making, you could be using it to pay off important items, or you can also save it on the side and invest into an online business to really start banking off things online. So I'm gonna go over the websites real quick one more time. So 3 websites were usertesting.com, they were userfeel.com, and then the last one was userlyrics.com. So again, you watch, you answer questions, and then you get paid for it. And I'm sure there's going to be for all these different websites, you have to just check the terms to saying maybe you have to watch 3 or 4 videos before they actually pay you out. And that's perfectly fine, because you're going to get into the habit of watching these videos regardless, so you can always meet that quota, so you can withdraw that money that you earned just by sitting around on your free time watching these videos. I think that's awesome, because I know being on Snapchat, Instagram, on YouTube alone doesn't automatically pay you. But if you do those same exact things, but just using these kind of websites, and there's a ton out there, just go to google.com, Google testing websites earn money, and then you'll find even more websites. So again, what I would recommend is you have a split screen. You can have like 2-3 videos playing at a time. You can answer all of them at the end, and then you'll be able to finish 3 to 4 videos at a single time. That depends on if your computer can run those multiple videos. If not, just do it one at a time, answer them out, and then just get through 5 or 6 per day. That's how you have an extra stream of income just watching videos online. I think it's a crazy opportunity for you guys that are trying to make impact online. I've been getting these kind of questions like, I don't have money yet. I don't think I have enough to invest in a virtual assistant. I don't have enough to invest in a graphic designer. I don't have enough to run to build an online business. I don't have enough to build an online business. But that's okay, guys. You don't need to worry too much about that. A couple extra $100, and nowadays that's all you need, especially if you're in affiliate marketing. If you have the right platform and you have a funnel builder that you can use to leverage sales funnels to actually get conversions. So one more thing before I go, I want to recommend the tool I've been using for the last year. The tool I'm going to recommend you guys is called Builderall, to help you build your conversions page. If you guys already have the money to start and you want to build your own online business, you want to pay off those books, you want to get that free gas money, you want to get more vacation time, well, go in the first link down below and it's going to help you out. That's it, guys. I hope you really like this video. Make sure you guys just smash that like button. Smash it, guys. You want to leave a comment and comment down below, watch more videos. And then hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. Want to show you more videos just like this, and hit the bell icon so you always know when I post a new video. With that said, guys, I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Before you guys go, make sure you get that free page, that free guide to growing your Instagram. With that said, have an awesome rest of your day, guys.